everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to increase credit limit on Discover card. So you might want to increase the credit limit on your Discover card because an increased credit limit might increase your credit score. It can also give you more flexibility in spending. So if you want to do that, you can do it via online or you can also do it over the phone. So there are basically three ways. You can do it online through the website or mobile app, or you can also do it via the phone. I will tell you all of three methods and you can choose a suitable method for you. First of all, if you want to increase the card limit online, first of all, you'll have to log in to your Discover account center. After doing that, go to the card services, select credit line increase. You'll be directed to a form where you can submit your request and provide necessary information like your annual income and monthly housing payment. Now after you do that, your request will be submitted. Discover will review your request and increase the credit limit. Likewise, you can also do it via the mobile app. For that, what you have to do is launch open the Discover mobile app, navigate to services, then select the option for credit line increase, complete the online form with your updated financial information. After that, your credit limit can be increased. Likewise, you can also do it via phone. For that, what you have to do is simply find the customer service number on the back of your Discover card, call the number, follow the prompts to speak with the customer service representative about a credit line increase. Simply follow through all the prompts and you'll be able to request for a credit line increase. Discover will look into your request and increase the credit limit for you. For the easy approval, you'll have to take into few considerations. Make sure your financial information is up to date in your account profile, especially your annual income and monthly housing payment. Also review your credit report. Check your credit report for any negative or inaccurate information that could impact any chances of your approval. You can also demonstrate responsible credit card uses like paying bills on time and managing your credit utilization. It can improve your chances of getting a credit limit increased. So like this, you'll be able to increase the credit limit. So that is how you increase credit limit on Discover card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.